What's cooking, everybody? Dave Altizer here with Kinotika, and we have some important news. We got invited. What did we get invited to, you may ask? A private Sony event held on a tropical island. Sony told us that we're going to get early access to the new a6400 camera. We made a video about this last week when the camera was officially announced, and we were really frustrated that we weren't invited to this event. We didn't get an invite. Come on, Sony, let's go. But hey, Sony invited us to this event, so thumbs up. Thank you so much, Sony. I wanted to make this video to talk directly to you guys, our subscribers, and ask you this simple question. What would you like to see with the a6400? Are there any tests, examples, or questions that you have about the camera? Let us know in the comment section below. That's literally the only reason this video exists, is to get you guys to ask us direct questions. We're probably gonna unlist this video after the event is over. It's being held on the 23rd, this Wednesday, and this video really is just here for this dialogue with you guys. So let me know in the comment section below what you want to see when we go review the a6400. I do air quotes because there might be a surprise. Sony won't tell me. I asked them, hey, is there anything else that you want to reveal? Obviously, I really hope to see an a7S III or an a7000, but don't hold your breath. It's probably not going to be anything other than the a6400, which is fine. We're happy to be there, but hey, it would be cool if there was a surprise, right? Sony told us that we're allowed to post a video as soon as we possibly can after this event at the tropical island. So we're gonna try our best to get the video out on Thursday, and if we can't get it out on Thursday, then we'll definitely have it out for Friday of this week for sure. We were thinking about doing a comparison between the Canon M50 and the a6400. I think those two cameras are a great pair. They both are in similar-ish price point. The a6400, of course, being a little bit more expensive, but they're kind of for vloggers both, and neither one of them have IBIS, and they're both crop sensors, so I think that's a great comparison. If there's any other comparisons that you want to see, then again, comment below. We had two goals this year. One was to be featured on Petapixel. The other was to be invited to a private event, and we were just on Petapixel with the Sharp 8K camera, and now we're invited to this private Sony event. So all of our New Year's resolutions are over, and I guess it's just all downhill from here. All kidding aside though, we're so grateful to have you guys on board with us on this channel. If you're not already subscribed, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, enable the bell notification. That way you know exactly when our a6400 videos will come out. Once again, I'm Dave Altizer. Comment below and let us know your questions about the a6400. See you on Thursday.
Cool.
Yeah.
Feel good about that?
Yeah, that was good.